Southeast Asia for a whole month, travelling overland by train from Singapore to Hanoi in Vietnam. For the first leg of the journey, take public transport or a taxi to Woodlands train station in Singapore, which is right on the border with Malaysia, and that is where you go through customs and then you board the train, which takes about 5 minutes to get to Johor Bahru station in Malaysia. And then from Johor Bahru station, you take a train, usually via Jemas, to Kuala Lumpur. Just stopped in TAMPIN, and the next stop is Kuala Lumpur. It's day 4 of the trip. I'm at Kuala Lumpur station, about to take the train to Butterworth in Penang, but first I'm going to have some breakfast. So you take the train from Kuala Lumpur to Butterworth station, and from there you can take a free shuttle bus to the ferry port, which is about a 5-minute drive away, and then the ferries leave about every half an hour and drop you in GEORGETOWN on Penang Island. From Butterworth to Padang BESAR, which is on the border with Thailand. Come through immigration, which was very confusing, but we got there in the end. And now I've got 2 hours to wait until my overnight train to Bangkok, which is a 17-hour train. But it really wasn't that bad, it was quite comfy, got quite a good night's sleep, and now it is about 10 in the morning, so I'm going to try and find a cab to my hotel in Bangkok. This is the train to Cambodia. Leaves at 5 to 6 in the morning from Bangkok and takes about 6 hours to get to the border of Cambodia. Train station is about 6 kilometres from the border, so you have to take a tuk-tuk, which costs about 100 baht, depending on your haggling skills. And now hopefully I'm at the border and I'm going to go through into Cambodia. And then you take a free shuttle bus to the bus station, which is a couple of minutes away, and then from the bus station you can either take a bus or a shared taxi. too many railways in Cambodia, so I was going to take a boat from Siem Reap to Phnom Penh. But apparently they're not running it at the moment. I couldn't get a straight answer as to why. Some people said there's not enough tourists, someone else said there's not enough water, so who knows. So instead I'm taking a minibus. Of the journey is from Ho Chi Minh City to Da Nang on an overnight train. I think it's been about 16 hours. So I just got settled into my little bunk. Nice and hot question, what does the loo look like? Can't tell, but it's very smelly. My first ever experience on an overnight train in Vietnam. It was actually pretty comfy. Woke up at like 6 AM because it was a little bit noisy and we forgot to close the curtains, so light came in. But you get free breakfast, which I didn't know. It was not the most appetizing meal in the world, but it was edible. And yeah, everything's been quite nice. I enjoyed myself and the views are amazing today. Made it to Da Nang after about 16 hours on the train, and now I'm just in the back of my Grab taxi, which is kind of like Asian Uber, on the way to Hoi An, which is about 40 minutes away. So I'm back in a very rainy Da Nang to take the train now to Hue. It should be about 2.5 hours. Made it to Hue. It's rainy season at the moment, so there's crazy floods in Da Nang and the train left about 4.5 hours behind schedule, so that was fun, but I made it. That's the main thing, and considering this is the first proper delay of my entire trip, I can't really complain. It's 5 AM, which is why I look like this. But I'm about to get on the very last train of my journey from Hue to Hanoi, which takes about 14 hours. And you can actually do it as an overnight journey with a sleeper class, so I'm very much regretting not doing that now. And that is it. I've made it to Hanoi. It took 14 hours. Actually, the train left late, but we did arrive on time still, so that was good. And it was perfectly comfortable. Had a lovely time, and the views might have been the best of the entire trip so far. But now I'm gonna go and find my hotel and get into bed. buses, 1 return trip on a ferry, plus a bunch of rickshaws, taxis and mopeds to travel around 4,500 kilometers all the way from Singapore to Hanoi in Vietnam. Now, if you want to recreate something a little bit similar, I'm going to be writing a full blog post with all the logistics and everything that went into planning this trip and everything I think you need to know, and I will put the link in the description, so click it and have a little read and plan your own adventure, because this has been absolutely incredible and I really recommend it.